Ice cream cake time. If you need a cake for a birthday, a Mother's Day, anything you like, ice cream cake. So easy. 3 ingredients: Oreo cookies, ice cream sandwiches, that is the secret ingredient, and a little Cool Whip. The best thing about this cake, I find, is you can make whatever size you want, even individual size if you want to, a little bit bigger for a couple people. You can make family size, or you can make it party sized. It's like making lasagna. Start with a very thin layer of Cool Whip. That will keep your ice cream sandwiches from moving. Then a layer of ice cream sandwiches. Cool Whip again. Then on top of the Cool Whip, crushed Oreo cookies. Start it all over again. A layer of ice cream sandwiches, Cool Whip, and crushed Oreos. That's it. And your ice cream sandwich cake will be done. Let's get started. I'm going to make 2 sizes today. One for us to eat on Sunday, on Mother's Day. The other one for my son to take home with him because his birthday's a couple days later, and then he can go home with a little bit of birthday cake. So start off, like I said, thin layer of Cool Whip. We got to take the Oreo cookies and smash them up, make some crumbs. And now we're getting serious. I personally don't like my Oreo cookies too small, but you crush yours to whatever texture you like. You take all of your unwrapped ice cream sandwiches and you just put them in the pan. Make a layer of them, cut them up to size, make them fit. So now that you have your layer of ice cream sandwiches, about half of your Cool Whip, use that up, spread it around. Now add a layer of your crushed Oreos. And again, this is however you like it. As many as you want, as little as you want, as coarse as you want, as fine as you want. That is the best thing about this cake. You cannot mess up this cake. No matter how hard you try, it will be impossible to mess it up. So now that that's done, one more layer and then you're finished. This time, use up all the Cool Whip that you have left over. There you are. It might look a little rough before you add your last layer of Oreo cookies, but your Oreo cookies will hide everything. There you have it. 2 absolutely beautiful ice cream cakes. It literally took maybe 10 minutes. Price-wise, you cannot beat this. This is very economical when compared to buying ice cream cakes from the store. And you're done. Pop them back in the freezer to harden up that Cool Whip again and solidify everything together, and you have a dessert. 3 ingredients, impossible to mess up, any size you want. I love it. Your family will love it. The birthday person, Mother's Day, everything. Great cake.